there. This is Heather and Jill from Two Hungry Neighbors. How are you?
Hello.
So excited to show you this awesome recipe today. So Jill made this vegan artichoke spinach dip, and I love artichoke dip, but it's full of stuff that I probably don't need to be eating. Full of dairy, full of fat, but I love it. And so Jill brought this to one of our parties, and it was so good.
It is so good.
So good. And I don't know how to make it, but Jill's gonna show us how to make it, and then we're gonna be posting the recipe later as well. But you have got to check this out. I'm telling you, it was so yummy.
So, healthy version, spinach artichoke dip. Start with a cup. I actually put the whole can of Great Northern beans in. I rinse them and I drain them. Go ahead and put them in your, you can put them in a mixer or food processor. I love my Ninja, so I use it for everything. And then you're gonna add in a half a cup of raw cashews. I get these from Trader Joe's, so they're not salted, they're just raw cashew pieces. And I actually soak them in some water just to soften them up a little bit. I do it for about a half an hour. You can do it anywhere from 4 to 6 hours or overnight, whatever, but I do about a half an hour. I soak them in water, drain the water. So we've got your Great Northern beans in the mixer, and then I'm gonna put the cashews in. And then we're gonna do, I believe it is a tablespoon of lemon juice. So I used my nifty little.
Oh, I love this.
Yes.
From Williams Sonoma, right? I have one of these too, just to squeeze your fresh lemon and get lemon juice. So delicious.
Okay. And then, I don't know if you've ever heard of nutritional yeast. I know the name is not very appealing, but it is actually people who have a dairy intolerance or who are vegan and still want to get that cheesy flavor and that creaminess, and some of the recipes they use it. I always tell people it kind of looks like fish food.
Yeah, it
kind of really does. But when you smell it, it's got this kind of a cheesy, yeah, it's got a cheesy smell to it. So you're gonna take 2 tablespoons of this. Let me make sure I got it right. Put that in there. All right. I keep a lot of stuff in mason jars because I like being able to see it. And I have a little bit more lemon juice I'm gonna add in because I like lemon a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and just buzz this up a little bit. I need a spatula.
Oh, I've got that.
I need a spatula. I need to scrape down the sides, make sure everything gets in there.
There you go. Spatula.
Thank you.
So I can smell that lemon.
Oh, I love it. I love anything with lemon.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, we're gonna do that. That mixed up. We're just going to leave this let me kind of show you. Hopefully you can see it. It's just.
Looks like hummus.
Yeah, it looks like hummus. So, and it smells so good. Okay, so we're going to leave that there. Okay, so then in the meantime, take an onion, diced up really fine, and you're going to saute that down to translucent in a little bit of olive oil or grapeseed oil, whatever you want to use. And then after it's translucent, you're going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic. So that's what we have here. I don't know if you can see that.
I did do that part. I contributed just a little bit.
Okay, and so then once you have that going, then you're going to add 4 cups of spinach. And I eyeball it. I do about a handful per cup.
Spinach cooks down so much, so it's amazing how much it looks like now, but it'll really cook down.
Okay. This going. And we can cook this down a little bit. I got spinach for days here. I think we might need just a tad bit more
olive oil.
Yeah, maybe just a tad bit more olive oil. Yeah, I gave her one job, which was to saute the onions and down, but I don't think she had enough oil.
Hey.
So here we go. Hi,
Right.
friend.
Uh-huh.
Just a little smidge.
All right.
That's good.
That good?
That's good.
Okay. Bring this up a little bit.
Okay, so we're gonna start cooking this down. In the meantime, chop up a can of artichoke hearts. Drain them really well. You can do the quarters, you can do the hearts, you can do the bottoms, whatever you like. I do the quarters, drain them, and then I just chop them up pretty fine because you want to be able to get them on your chip or on a carrot.
So what other things do you use nutritional yeast for besides, like I know there's like a vegan cheese sauce I've made before, and it goes really good in soups, doesn't it?
It goes, yes. Actually, anything that you're going to add cheese to, that you're going to melt. So like I do a creamy fettuccine.
Yeah.
And
Oh, that's
it's
right.
so good. We'll definitely show you that recipe because it is, I've fooled everybody. They thought they were eating regular
Cream, right?
Yes, and it's delicious. So we'll have to show you that one. So this starts to kind of cook down a little bit. And these are some big spinach leaves here.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's some serious fiber in this dish.
So serious. My favorite. Okay, and then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. I always just kind of do a little pinch. So we get a little pinch of salt. And then let's do a little pepper. Okay, here we go. We're going here. It's getting
Starting to cook down.
Those are some big leaves, aren't they? Some of the baby spinach. Okay. All right. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the artichokes in. And I'm telling you, if you bring this dish to a party, you don't have to tell people that it's
No.
a vegan, non-dairy, healthy spinach artichoke dip. Don't do it. Don't tell them. Just bring it and let people eat it, and they'll never know.
Yeah, I think when you say vegan, sometimes that throws people off and they think, oh, I might not like it or it won't taste good. I mean, we could not tell the difference. There was a whole bunch of us and it was amazing.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'm thinking maybe not.
Here, I can bring it a little closer.
Bring the camera closer, sister.
Oh, I'm not very good at these angles. There we go.
There we go. See?
Okay.
Okay,
I don't know if that really helped that much, but anyway.
you get it. And we will actually have this recipe posted below. And then I would love to hear your comments on it to see what you thought about it. So just,
I think that's gonna be my lunch today.
if I leave you some.
Well,
All right.
I'm gonna have to have some.
And then we're going to take the mixture of the beans and the nutritional yeast and cashews.
Oh, so you're gonna heat that too.
We're going to heat it all together. And you can actually eat this cold, room temp. You can heat it up, you know, whatever
Be
you
good
want
on
to do.
chicken, wouldn't it?
It
Be
would
good
be.
on a little bit of chicken.
Ooh, it would be really good on chicken.
Yeah.
Okay. This looks exactly like hummus. Okay. And then you just start kind of mixing this all up together. Oh my.
Hmm?
I'm pretty excited about this dish.
Yeah.
It's so good. Ooh, I got stuff flying all over Heather's kitchen here.
That's all right. You can clean it up later.
Reggie,
Yeah.
where's the dog?
Where's the dog when you need him?
All right. So do you have a little, let's see, a little dish
Little
or
bowl?
something that you
Yeah.
can put this in?
Yeah. This is the amount you can leave me, and then we'll just get a little teeny Tupperware for you.
All
Is
right.
that too big, or is that good?
No, I think it's fine.
Okay. Okay, that was pretty quick. That takes less time than the artichoke dip that I have made
Absolutely.
traditionally.
So I usually serve this with carrot chips or just some corn tortilla chips. You can do pita chips if you want. I mean, you can do really anything. Okay. I'm gonna get this put into this bowl. think I can put it on that plate?
Yeah, put a little bit on there.
Let's put it on the plate so you can really see it. This is so stinking good.
Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. All right, so can you see here? And look, isn't that pretty?
I'm gonna do a little bit more. Look at that.
All right, I'm really excited to try it.
All right.
I'm glad you made me lunch.
You're welcome.
Let's give this a try. I'm gonna do the chip.
I'm gonna do the
I'm
carrot.
just feeling like you need to have a chip with this kind of deliciousness. Is it good?
This is so good.
I love this. I am so glad you showed me how to make this. I mean, you can't even tell. This is amazing.
So
It really
good.
is.
So once again, we'll post the recipe down below. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, Two Hungry Girls. I'm sorry, Two Hungry Neighbors. What am I thinking?
Because we're girls, but we're
We're
also
girls.
neighbors and we're friends.
And we're friends.
Yum.
We're gonna start doing more recipes, more healthy recipes, things that you can swap out. People are not gonna know. You just tell them it's a spinach artichoke dip. They're gonna love it. And they're gonna love you.
Thanks for joining us.